If you want trouble-free miles on any bike, road, mountain, hybrid, or e-bike, there are two things that you should do before every single ride. Skip either one and you'll dramatically increase your chances for flats, unsafe handling, and costly repairs. We see the results of this every day here at Cyclecraft. Let me show you what they are. One of the simplest things you can do for trouble-free miles is maintaining the correct tire pressure. It's easy, takes less than 30 seconds, and it saves you time and money. Now, one of the most common repairs we do here at Cyclecraft is flat tires. Flats aren't really that complicated, but they can ruin your ride. On almost every bike tire, you'll find the recommended tire range printed right on the sidewall. Correct pressure depends on three things though: the size of the tire, the rider's weight, and the terrain that you're riding. These tires have a range of 50 to 85 pounds per square inch. Now, a heavier rider, let's say around 210 pounds riding pavement, would be closer to that upper end. A lighter rider can run a slightly lower pressure for comfort while still avoiding pinch flats. Let's check this tire. Wow, this is way too low. And this is the most common cause of pinch flats. A pinch flat is when you hit a pothole or a rock. The tire compresses too much and the tube gets pinched between the tire and the rim. Proper pressure makes this far less likely. Now, in a tubeless tire setup, pinch flats are not really a problem, but if the pressure is too low, you can actually burp the tire off the rim, which is actually as bad or worse than a pinch flat. Everyone who owns a bike really should own a floor pump. Now, we recommend checking your tire pressure before every ride. Hey, if this video helps you get more trouble-free miles, go ahead and give it a like. It really helps us reach more riders. And let us know in the comments which one of these following things you already checked before every ride. You'd be amazed at how many people actually get this wrong. The second thing your pre-ride routine should include before you go is a quick safety check. This takes only about a minute. First, check that your wheels are secure. A quick release should be tight enough to leave an imprint in your hand when you close it, but not so tight that you need tools to get it open again. It should not look like this, or like this. Next, make sure that your handlebars and your saddle are tight. Push and pull on the bars and try to twist the saddle. Nothing should move. Squeeze the brakes and make sure they hold the wheel firmly. If you turn the handlebars side to side, they should move smoothly with no knocking or clunking. If you feel looseness like this, that's a headset adjustment, and that's something we recommend having us handle. Spin the wheels and look for side-to-side movement. If the wheel wobbles like this, it needs truing. Wheel truing is part of a tune-up, and it's another job best left to your shop. And finally, go ahead and check your brake pads. There should be plenty of material left to stop the wheel. If your bike has disc brakes, inspect both pads and rotors. Anytime if your braking feels weak or inconsistent, you should bring it into the shop. We're always happy to check it out. And here's a bonus tip. After riding, your chain might need lubrication, but not too much. Too much lube can attract dirt and actually wears the drivetrain faster. You want to use a drip-on lube, 1 drop per roller. Spin the chain to let it penetrate and then wipe off the excess. Well, those are the basics. If you got your bike with us, don't forget to bring your new bike in for its free first checkover after 10 to 15 hours of riding. Most good shops should offer at least this first checkover at no charge. If you're local to Cyclecraft, you can join us for our new Bike Owners Clinic every other Thursday at our Parsippany Cycling Center. Check our calendar for updates. Hey, thanks for watching Cyclecraft TV, and remember, keep that rubber side down.